From past few years, we have been relying increasingly on using AI for our day-to-day tasks. We have started to use AI as the ultimate source of truth. But in my experience, I have found AI to be very biased. And I want to give you just one example of exactly that. Here I'm asking ChatGPT, I'm building an iOS app to identify food in an image. What's the best way to do that to identify whether a picture contains food and which? So ChatGPT thinks that the best way to do that is to use a pre-trained vision model API. It says it's the fastest way to build, and according to ChatGPT, best way to use a vision API is to use OpenAI vision models. And guess what? ChatGPT is built by OpenAI. Is it just a coincidence that they want you to use their own vision models? I've asked the same question to Claude. Claude thinks that the best way to do this is Claude Vision API. It thinks that it's the simplest and most flexible. If I ask the same thing to Gemini, Gemini says best way is I use some AI which is on device. But in the second approach, when it is asking me to use cloud APIs, the best model according to Gemini is Google Gemini. It is quite evident that all these companies are using our trust in their AI models to spread their own agenda. Is this agenda going to be limited to something as simple as use our models so that they can increase their revenue? Or will these models be used to create narratives around some countries, some political leaders, and around some communities? AI has already turned into a necessary digital infrastructure, just like internet. But when we use it, we have to be conscious about its biases and make sure that our thoughts are our own and not the ones created by an AI.